Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have seen a huge dip here recently, or here just now. CryptoFace did go live. He wasn't a short. I currently got stopped out on mine, so I'm gonna need some recovery for a while. Guys, like I said, I am very new to trading, so I'm still trying to figure a lot of it out. And it's it's an interesting game to play for the most part. So yeah, but I just wanted to give you all an update. I did say 6,800 was what I was going for, and it does kind of look like we went to pretty much that 6,800 level. So let me see if I can find it. At 77, and then 6,800 was on here. I thought I put a bubble on here about it, but I had talked about 6,800. Yeah, 6,800 right there. So it does kind of look like we did touch that bottom support line here at 6,800. Waiting for some green dots to be put in here. So some really big overselling happening right now. Some people are calling for way lower prices. Yeah, I think so, possibly, but really I don't know what the market wants to do right now. It's really broken all trendline supports, and I think it could get pretty crazy if we do drop below the support line. So just be weary of that. I know probably a lot of people in crypto right now are probably freaking out. So a lot of bearish sentiment right now as well. And I don't even think we put in our 1-day green dot just yet. We haven't. So looks like we could still see some downwards movement. And possibly that 6,500 area. 6,500 is my next target. So 6,500 would be a support line, and I would have to draw it out for us, but I think that that's probably right about here, right where we were at last time 2 years ago. So somewhere right about here, 63-ish. I would say 6,300-ish area seems about right. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this line here for us. So 6,300-ish area is our next target, probably to the downside. But just wanted to give y'all an update, man. I know I'm gonna need some time to recover from this. I do plan on still doing videos for y'all, but like I said, take everything you hear out there with a grain of salt. Who knows? We could get a huge bounce from here, which is very possible. 6 months before happening, and we are seeing some big downwards movement. One thing that I've been kind of thinking about is why Tether hasn't been printing any more coins or any more Tether. And that's kind of got me curious, because I do remember that before this pump to 10K right here, Tether was printing a lot. I remember sending my girlfriend text messages from whale alerts saying, "Oh, get ready for a pump, Tether's printing," or they keep minting Tether. And next thing you know, that pump happened. So I mean, one thing that is kind of off is that Tether has not been printing any money at all. So right now, my strategy right now is basically to just accumulate some altcoins right now. I think I'll hold off on BTC for a little while just to see like what the correction is and where it's going to go to. So currently all out of BTC, and gonna start accumulating some altcoins, and I'll let y'all know about what altcoins those are later on. But for right now, just hang in there, y'all. We could see some more downwards movement. And I don't know, I just think it's kind of interesting that Tether hasn't really been printing much anymore. Still waiting on this cross here, possibly. That could be a good sign. This could just be just maybe a bear trap, but for right now, I'm gonna cut back on my trading. I need to reevaluate some things, and I hope y'all are staying safe out there. in these markets, because literally we are just little fish in the shark tank. So yeah, but I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Go ahead and support the channel, like, comment, and subscribe if y'all are interested in more market cipher videos. I'll go through the 4-hour. I'll start with the 2-hour and then work our way up. 2-hour still has a red dot, could be putting in a green dot pretty soon as well. Yellow X manipulation to the downside. We had, yeah, to be honest, y'all, I last night was funny because I went to sleep like as soon as we shot back up. There was a crazy wick to like 7,700 or something like that. Yeah, about 7,700, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. Like, it looks like we might head up then, you know, doji. And nope. Next candle was literally a yellow X on these time frames, and then I wake up a few hours later and we're at like 7,100, and I'm like, what the fuck? That's crazy. Okay, so I missed the yellow X's, but those yellow X's did start fucking showing up again. Excuse my language, sorry, but they started showing up, and that would have been indication that we were going to go to the downside again. So caught that kind of late after the fact that, like, I mean, I may have saw the yellow X flash, but I think I saw the 7,700 wick up to the top side, and I was like, oh, okay, we're good. But as soon as these yellow X's get put in, I mean, that's just further indication that to the downside. So I did miss that. Was not ready for it. Yellow X. Yeah, that was from earlier, but I mean, massive death wick here. So waiting for some more green dots from like the 2-hour and up. Let's see what our 12-hour is looking like. Maybe putting in another big green dot here on the 12-hour. I mean, pure manipulation, y'all. Like, they're out to fucking get us to you know, do what they will. And if you're not an expert at trading, like, do not try it. I'm just saying that, you know, do not go out there and try it. So I'm really even thinking about taking my Bybit link down from the channel, just so that way people, I mean, you know, you got to do your own studying, you know, and people can come back from losses, but you know, just you got to be weary of certain things. So alright, y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all can use some of the other affiliate links down in the description box below, like mining Bitcoin from your web browser, and have my Brave browser affiliate link down there as well. And I will speak with y'all soon. Have a nice evening. Bye.